Want to connect your DJI Wireless Mic to your iPhone? By connecting your DJI Mic, you'll get clear and professional quality audio for your videos. In this video, I'll show you how to connect the DJI Wireless Mic to your iPhone. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, press and hold on the power button to power on the DJI Wireless Mic. Then, if you see blue light blinking, then the mic is in linking mode. But if you see the green light, then press and hold the record button from left side for 3 seconds until the blue light appears. Then if you see blue light blinking slowly, then press and hold the link button to make it faster. Now grab your iPhone. Go to Bluetooth settings. Here you can see your DJI Mic 2 device name. Tap on it and it's connected. Now if you try to check it with your phone's built-in camera, it won't work with your built-in camera. You need to install a camera app from the App Store. So, open up the Play Store, then tap on the search bar. Search Blackmagic Camera. Then install it. After installing this app, open it up. Next, give all the access that app is asking. Now here you can see Camera Live View. Here you can see the audio bar showing iPhone microphone. Now tap on the settings icon below. Scroll down and find the audio sources option. Tap on it. Here select your DJI Mic. Now back to camera view, and here you can see the audio bar showing the DJI Mic name now. Now record a video. After stopping recording, tap media below. Here you can check the video you recorded now. Or if you want to save it to your iPhone Photos app, then tap on the export button in the top. Next, tap save video. Now open up the Photos app, and now play and check the video. And there you have it. This is how you can connect the DJI Wireless Mic to your iPhone. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.